A Kentucky Marital Settlement Agreement is a document used to establish agreed upon terms of a divorce between two spouses. It's often used to distribute shared property, address any financial and parental obligations, and set forth other terms and conditions. This video will cover the importance of Kentucky Marital Settlement Agreements, some legal divorce requirements, and how to obtain an official fillable template. To begin, let's discuss the importance of a Kentucky Marital Settlement Agreement. The Marital Settlement Agreement outlines the basic terms of a divorce agreement. It's essential to establish the distribution of shared assets, alimony and/or child support, among other common terms. A mutually agreed upon settlement is crucial when filing for an uncontested divorce, since it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal, lengthy trial in circuit court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets, including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, is required by the court when filing for divorce or dissolution of marriage, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the interest of both spouses to reach a mutual understanding using this agreement. Doing so expedites the process as opposed to undergoing a long, drawn-out divorce trial. Not only will it be quicker, but it will also be more affordable. Now, let's review some of the legal requirements in Kentucky. Kentucky is one of the 41 states that have enacted equitable distribution laws. Equitable distribution laws is the fair separation of assets, which means it's often not necessarily an equal divide. This dispersion will be left to the discretion of a judge if the spouses are unable to reach a settlement or face a heavily contested divorce. When applying equitable distribution, the courts may take into account the duration of the marriage, what each spouse paid for, employability of each spouse, assets and debts of each spouse or combined, and sources of income and amount. Note that a marital settlement agreement can be used in Kentucky to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses agree on most terms, they can file for an uncontested divorce and use this agreement to outline their desired terms. Finally, some other legal requirements in Kentucky to keep in mind are: one spouse must have resided in the state for at least 180 days prior to filing for divorce. The couple is required to live apart for 60 days before a divorce decree is entered. And lastly, Kentucky is a no-fault state, which means the court usually grants a divorce decree without requesting evidence of wrongdoing or a specific legal ground. The filing spouse can simply state that the marriage is incompatible or irrevocably broken as their reasoning, and that's usually enough to be accepted by a judge. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. We have created an expansive and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the Kentucky Marital Settlement Agreement. To get this official template that can be used to file for divorce in your local circuit court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.